In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your knowledge base in HubSpot so that your articles, categories, and tags are easy to manage and navigate. This is a great way to keep your content structured and make it simple for your team and customers to find what they need. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the Service section. From there, click on Knowledge Base. Keep in mind that this feature is available if you're using the Service Hub Professional plan. Once you're in your knowledge base, you can start organizing by categories. You can add new categories or edit existing ones to group your articles in a way that makes sense for your business. This helps create a clear structure for all your content. Next, open an article you want to organize and assign it to the appropriate category. You can also add tags to your articles. Tags make searching and filtering much easier, helping your team quickly locate relevant content. HubSpot also lets you sort and filter articles directly from the knowledge base dashboard. This makes managing a large number of articles much more efficient. After you've organized everything, don't forget to save your changes and publish your updates so that they're live and accessible. And that's how you organize your knowledge base articles, categories, and tags in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.